Google Classroom is an app where you can set work and homework for your class. Download the app from the App Store. Click the app and sign in using your Hub login. To create a class, click the Add button down the bottom right and give your class a name. Once you've got your class set up, you will then want to add your children. Click People down the bottom, then click the Add button next to Students. From here, you can add your children's Hub accounts, or you can send them a link or change that link into a QR code for the children to scan. Once they've scanned or joined your class, you will then be able to set them work. Your work will be in this section here called Classwork. To add work you would like your children to do, click the Add button down the bottom right. Here you can add an assignment, a quiz, a question, or material you just want the children to read. For the assignment, give the assignment a title. Here you can add an attachment you would like the children to either work from or to read from. You can add a photo or a video if you want your children to watch or maybe write about a photo they can see. You can set a due date, so if you're setting homework, although you can set a due date, you don't have to. Once you've set your due date, you can also set a topic. Now, for example, if I set a maths piece of work, this will then store all my maths pieces of work in one place for me. As you can see, down the bottom of the menu, I have clicked Maths. You can also schedule work for a later date by clicking the 3 dots and Schedule. Again, pick your date and your time you wish to schedule your work, and then once you're happy with all your settings, click Assign. The final section of Google Classroom is the Stream section. Once you've posted work, work will become visible in the Stream section for your children. You can also announce something to your class in this section. So once you click Announce to Class and then Share with your class, here you can type a message to your class. So for this example, I have said, Miss is ill today and your class will be taught by a supply teacher. This is where children can also ask for help from yourself as a teacher or from their peers if they're struggling with some of the work you have set. There is also a Settings section. In this section, you'll find your class code. Now, again, you can give this to your children to join your class. They will only need to use it once to join your class. Here you can set a meeting via Google Meet, which is very much like Microsoft Teams. You can also change your stream posting settings to change it to just students, just teachers, or both. As you can see, Google Classroom can be a very powerful app for you to use in your classroom. It can also be used on any device, not just an iPad.